How can you earn money while enjoying more free time? The answer lies in passive income. Imagine making money without the constant hustle. Whether you want to supplement your income, save for something special, or secure your financial future, passive income allows you to build wealth without trading all your time for money. In this video, we'll uncover the top 5 passive income ideas for beginners. These ideas are perfect if you're just starting out and looking for ways to make your money work for you. Whether you have a bit of capital or just time to invest, these strategies can kickstart your journey to earning effortlessly. Let's get started. 1. High-yield savings and CDs. Let's kick things off with one of the simplest ways to start earning passive income: high-yield savings accounts and certificates of deposit, CDs. These options are excellent for anyone who already has some cash saved up and wants to earn more than what's offered by traditional savings accounts. By parking your money in a high-yield savings account or a CD, you can earn interest with almost no effort. High-yield savings accounts are offered by many banks and credit unions and typically provide significantly higher interest rates than traditional accounts. In 2026, many high-yield savings accounts offer rates as high as 4% or more, compared to the standard 0.01% interest from a regular savings account. The best part? You don't need to do anything to make your money grow. It's completely passive and your funds grow automatically. But if you prefer locking in your money for a while, certificates of deposit, CDs, might be the better option. With a CD, you commit to leaving your money in the bank for a fixed period, such as 6 months, 1 year, or more, and the bank rewards you with higher interest rates in return. It's one of the safest, low-risk ways to grow your money. Plus, once the CD matures, you can cash out the full amount, including interest, or roll it over into a new CD. This strategy offers excellent security for your money and a guaranteed return. While the returns may not be as high as more aggressive investments, it's a stable foundation for building passive income, especially for beginners who prefer a low-risk approach. By keeping your money in a high-yield savings account or CD, you're allowing it to work for you without worrying about daily market fluctuations. 2. Dividend investing. Next, let's dive into the world of dividend investing, a classic method for generating passive income. Dividend investing involves purchasing stocks in companies that regularly pay out a portion of their profits to shareholders. If you're a beginner, it may sound complicated, but it's quite easy to get started. When you own dividend-paying stocks, you receive regular cash payouts, usually every quarter. This income is completely passive. You don't need to sell the stocks to earn money. Many established companies, especially in sectors like utilities, real estate, and consumer goods, pay regular dividends. The beauty of dividend investing is that you're earning income on top of any potential capital appreciation from the stock price increasing. Over time, the combination of dividends and stock price growth can lead to substantial returns. And here's the best part: you can reinvest the dividends, which allows you to purchase more shares without additional capital, further compounding your returns. For those just starting, there's a simple solution: dividend ETFs. These exchange-traded funds invest in a collection of dividend-paying stocks, giving you instant diversification across multiple companies. A popular example is the Vanguard High Dividend Yield ETF, which gives you exposure to a wide range of companies that have established histories of paying dividends. By purchasing shares in a dividend ETF, you don't need to spend time picking individual stocks. Instead, you're buying a basket of reliable dividend-paying companies, automatically diversifying your portfolio. Over time, as you continue to hold these dividend stocks or ETFs, the income generated from dividends will compound, giving you an even larger income stream in the future. It's one of the most straightforward methods of earning passive income, and it works well for long-term wealth building. 3. Digital product sales. If you're looking to create something once and get paid for it again and again, digital product sales might be your perfect fit. Digital products include things like ebooks, Notion templates, printable planners, and other online resources that can be created once and sold over and over with minimal effort. The beauty of digital products is that once they're created, the sales happen automatically, and you don't have to do anything further to keep earning money. For example, if you're skilled at budgeting, you could create a budget planner or a financial tracker and sell it on platforms like Etsy, Gumroad, or even your own website. If you have design skills, creating Notion templates or graphic design packs can be highly profitable as well. The key is to solve a problem or fill a need for your audience, whether that's through organization, education, or personal development. When you create a digital product that's useful, it can continue to sell long after you've made it. The process for getting started is simple. Create your product, list it on a marketplace, and then let the sales roll in. Since there's no physical inventory or shipping involved, Digital products are one of the most scalable forms of passive income. Whether you're selling templates, ebooks, or online courses, your only investment is your time and expertise up front. Once you have the product live, you can sit back and watch the income come in. Platforms like Gumroad and Etsy make it easy to sell your digital creations and handle all the transactions. This method works great for beginners, and as your products gain traction, you can expand your digital product catalog and grow your income even further. 4. Affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is one of the most popular ways to make passive income, and the best part is, you don't need to create a product yourself. The idea behind affiliate marketing is simple. You recommend products or services you believe in, and if someone purchases through your unique referral link, you earn a commission. You can promote products via blogs, social media, or even email newsletters. For instance, if you have a YouTube channel or a blog, you can include links to products you use and love, and when your audience clicks those links and makes a purchase, you earn a commission. One of the most beginner-friendly affiliate programs is Amazon Associates. You don't need to have your own product, just a platform where you can share links. By recommending products that resonate with your audience, you can earn money each time someone buys through your link. The beauty of affiliate marketing is that once you set it up, it runs itself. You can continue earning commissions on old blog posts or videos, making it one of the most hands-off ways to generate passive income. Over time, as you gain more traffic and followers, your affiliate income grows. 5. Real estate crowdfunding. If you've ever wanted to invest in real estate but didn't have the capital for a full property investment, real estate crowdfunding is a perfect solution. Traditionally, real estate requires significant money up front, but platforms like Fundrise make it easy for beginners to get started with as little as $10 to $500. Crowdfunding allows you to pool your money with other investors to collectively invest in property portfolios, giving you access to real estate's passive income potential. With crowdfunding, you're not responsible for managing tenants or dealing with property maintenance. Instead, you invest in a diversified property portfolio that provides you with rental income and potential appreciation from the properties in the portfolio. You receive your share of the income generated by the properties, without the hassle of dealing with tenants or property management. Crowdfunding platforms like Fundrise or Realty Mogul offer various investment options, including commercial real estate, residential properties, and even real estate investment trusts, REITs. This option allows you to invest in real estate with far less upfront money compared to traditional property investment. It also gives you the chance to diversify your portfolio beyond stocks and bonds. With low minimum investments and relatively low risk, real estate crowdfunding is an excellent option for beginners looking to build passive income. You can start with small amounts and gradually scale your investments as your wealth grows. Over time, this could become a reliable source of passive income. And there you have it, the top 5 passive income ideas for beginners that can help you get started in 2026. Whether you're looking to invest your money or leverage your skills, these ideas offer fantastic opportunities to generate income without having to work around the clock. Which passive income idea are you most excited to try? Let me know in the comments below. And if you found this video helpful, be sure to like, share, and subscribe for more tips on building wealth and achieving financial freedom. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.